राग तनासरी महला पहला। गगन में थाल राव चंद दीपक बने, तारका मंडल जनक मोती। धूप मलयान लो पवन चवरो करे, सगल बन राय फुलंत ज्योति। On the cosmic plate of the sky, the sun and the moon are the lamps. The cluster of stars looks like embedded jewels. The whole atmosphere is charged with the fragrance of sandalwood, like the temple incense. The wind is like a fan. All the plants of the world are like flowers they are offering to Vaheguru in the continuous prayer. कैसी आरती होए पव खंडना तेरी आरती, अनहता शब्द वाजंत पेरी रहा. What a beautiful arti, the prayer, a worship, service this is for you, O Vaheguru, the destroyer of fear. The unstruck sound current of the Shabad is the vibration like the temple drums. Pause. सहस तव नैन नन नैन है तो ही को, सहस मूरत नन्ना एक तो ही. You seem to have thousands of eyes, and yet you seem to have no eyes. You have thousands of forms, and yet you do not have even one for us to be able to see you. सहस पद बिमल नन एक पद गंध बिन, सहस तव गंध इव चलत मोही. You have thousands of feet, yet none could be seen. You have thousands of noses, yet none that we could know of. O Vaheguru, I am thoroughly enchanted by this wonderful drama of yours. सब में ही ज्योत ज्योत है सोए, तिस दे चानण सब में ही चानण होए. The same light shines forth from your creation. It is through your light, and by this enlightenment and illumination, that light is radiant within all. गुर साखी ज्योत प्रगट होए, ज्योतिस पावे सो आरती होए. Through the Guru's teachings, his guidance, the light shines forth and enlightenment comes. That which is pleasing to Vaheguru is the true arti, the lamplit worship service. हर चरण कमल मकरंद लोभित मनो, अन दिनो मोहे आही प्यासा. I am completely enticed by the honey sweet lotus feet of true Vaheguru, like a lover of flowers, and am longing to drink the nectar of true name day and night. कृपा जलते नानक सारंग को, होई जाते तेरे नाई वासा. O Nanak, please bestow the water of your grace in mercy upon me. My thirst could be satiated by the grace of Vaheguru alone, when his true name gets enshrined in my heart and I get merged in him through remembering him all the times.